In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Microsoft gift card on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a gift card and you want to redeem it directly on your Xbox console, follow these steps and you will be able to add any amount of balance to your account. To do this, you will have to access the Microsoft Store, and you have to do it directly through the console. You can also do this process through a standard web browser on a PC or even your phone by going over to microsoft.com/redeem, but for this video, I'm going to be focusing on doing it inside of the console itself. On the Microsoft Store, if you go to this menu at the left side of the screen and you go all the way down, you will see the redeem option. So on the left-sided menu, go down until you find redeem. Once you choose this option from the list, you will now be able to enter the 25-character code from your gift card. So input the code here. Make sure that you input it properly and that you properly activated it through checkout. So double check all of the details about the code. Make sure that you aren't mixing up characters like 0 and O. And once you have the entire code typed out, you should see this message: redeem your gift card. This specific amount of balance will be added to your Microsoft account balance. So for example, $50, $25, and so on. It will be displayed in your own local currency. If everything looks okay, the amount is correct, you can go ahead and choose confirm. You will receive this amount of money directly into your balance that you can now use inside of games, on the Microsoft Store on the console, or any other services, and so on. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.